Hello, welcome again. We are solving IIT JEE Physics. The topic is induced EMF and AC circuit. Question number 42 is when current in a coil changes from 5 ampere to 2 ampere in zero point 0.1 second, the average voltage of 50 volt is produced. The self inductance of coil is option 1 1.67 Henry, option 2 6 Henry, option 3 3 Henry, option 4 0.61 Henry. So here the average voltage is 50 volt. So this is given by L di by dt, and this is epsilon is equal to 50, and change in current is 5 to 2 in zero point 0.1 second. So this is 5 minus 2 by 0.1. So L is equal 5 by 3, or it is 1.675 Henry. So answer is option 1. Next, in the circuit A and B, switches S1 and S2 are closed at t is equal to 0 and are kept closed for a long time. The variation of current in two circuits for t greater than equal to 0 are roughly shown by figures. Figures are schematic and not to scale. So this is the circuit. Okay, here the capacitor, and here is there is resistance, here is inductor, and here it is resistance. Okay. So these are the variations. Okay. So first of all, take RC circuit. So in RC circuit, the potential is given by the potential drop across resistance and potential across capacitor. Okay. And IC is, as current flowing is same. Okay, for capacitor and resistance, so it is dq by dt. So or as the finally the current as the charge is where q is the charge, and charge is given by C into Vc. Okay, and Vc is the instantaneous potential across the capacitor. So now this can be written as V is equal to Vc plus CR dVc by dt, or dVc by V minus Vc is equal to dt by CR, or it is equal to minus ln V minus Vc, and T divided by CR plus ln K, both this is constant. Okay, or it can be, this can be taken here. So it will be ln minus ln bracket V minus Vc multiplied by K. Okay, and this will be if we take this minus here, then it will be minus T by CR. So V minus Vc is equal to K E minus T by CR. Okay, so when T is equal to 0, when T is equal to 0, uh, when T is equal to 0, this quantity will be 1. So K will be equal to sorry, when T is equal to 0, then there is no potential across the capacitor also. So Vc is also 0. Okay, because this is the initial condition. So Kv is equal to 1. So K is equal to 1 by V. So now this equation can be written. This equation can be written as K is equal to 1 by V. So this V minus Vc by V is equal to E minus TRC, or Vc is your V1 minus E T minus RC, or if we multiply by C, both sides by C, then it will be Q. CVC is Q. Q is equal to Vc 1 minus E minus TRC. Okay. So now we can differentiate to find out the current. Okay, so this is total charge, and this will be your this differentiation will be, its one differentiation will be 0, and this differentiation will be divided by RC E minus T RC. Okay, so I is equal to CV divided by CR E minus T by RC. Okay, so I is equal to V by R. CC will cancel out. E minus T by RC. So I is equal to I dot E minus T by RC. Okay. So the current decreases exponentially in RC circuit. Okay. So as this is the Maxwell value and there is minus sign here, so it will decrease exponentially. Similarly, in LR circuit, V is equal to VR plus, in second circuit, V is equal to VR plus VL, and VR is IR, L is VL is LI, DI, LDI, DT, and so this we have solved already. So expression for current is that we have solved already in previous questions. So expression for current is this V by R 1 minus RT. So here we can see that this is I naught and this is I naught and there is minus sign, here is minus sign also. So this quantity will also, this quantity will increase with, because here minus and here minus plus, so it will increase exponentially. So option 4 is the right answer. Option 4, B will increase and this will decrease, is the right answer.